Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1T 10 Smart 2020, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Devices settings and choosing Connected Devices. Now tap on Connection Preferences. Tap on Printing and Default Print Service. Then wait! Your device is now searching for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you wish to use different print service, disable this one and tap on this back button. Now tap on Add Service and download the best one for you. I will go with HP one. When your new service is ready, go back. Lastly, just click on your new service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!